Long distance relationship advice. Long distance relationship. You are quite familiar with this term, right? This type of romantic relationships happens when both the man and woman live far apart from each other and the communication opportunities, that is face-to-face conversation between both, is restricted. Well, many people would say that long distance relationships are never going to work out. Your family may discourage it and some of your mates may advise you not to take it too seriously in case you get your heart broken. But that's not the case. The great thing about a long distance relationship is that it can help strengthen the bond that goes beyond the physical between you and your partner, because you have more to talk to each other about yourselves and about each other. You can talk to the other person over phone call, or you can simply chat online on social media apps. Both work perfect when you are in a long distance relationship. Now the real question is, do long distance relationships work? Well, yes, they absolutely do. But it takes work on both ends of the relationship to make it work. So now you might be wondering how to make a long distance relationship strong and intact. Well, that's what we are going to discuss today in this video. We will share with you 5 magical tips which will take your long distance relationship to the next level. But first, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel to get more amazing content like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I publish a new video. 5 amazing dating tips for making a long distance relationship work. Number 1. Keep up with it. What I mean by this is that you have to keep up with what you are doing already, that is, texting the person or talking with them on phone. You must be consistent. In a relationship, especially long distance one, it's important for you to talk regularly. Greet each other good morning and good night every single day. You can talk about your interests or any new hobby. Just try to update your partner on your life and its happenings. They will do the same. To kick it up a notch, send each other memes or funny posts. If you like a movie or song, send them the link. They would love it. By putting in such effort, you will make the other person feel loved and respected. Number 2. Be confident in your relationship. As you might already be knowing that insecurity in a relationship can cause mistrust, and it often leads to one person checking in on the other one too often. In a long distance relationship, however, it is much worse. If there's insecurity in one side, it can result in excessive calls and texts being sent for the wrong reasons, and can lead to unnecessary tensions and fears. So the best advice I can give you is to make sure you do as much as you want to make your partner feel secure. Be honest and open about where you're going and what you're doing. For example, when you're chilling with your friends at night, you can send them pics. Or if you find a cute puppy while going for a walk, send them a lovely picture. This will make them feel great and secured, as you are in touch with them all the time. Maybe not physically, but emotionally. Try to reassure your partner as much as possible that they don't have anything to worry about. Number 3. Take some time for yourself. Arguably, the most important component of any healthy relationship is taking time to focus on your own growth, success, and happiness. I've already talked about it in my earlier videos. Before getting in a healthy and loving relationship, you need to love yourself first. Self-love and personal development will make you a better person and a compatible partner. It's a major key to making your long-distance relationship intact. Focus on yourself and try to expand your personal as well as your professional life. Engage in new hobbies or any physical activities that you like. Take care of your health, diet, and get good sleep. And most importantly, spend time with your family and friends. Taking space to do your own things also has the benefit of giving you something to report back to your partner about your time alone. Number 4. Set clear rules and boundaries. Don't do anything stupid that would make the other person uncomfortable and threatened. You should set some ground rules and boundaries. You might feel obsessed to see your partner or find it too hard being away from them. This is where your positivity needs to kick in. Focus on other things in your life that you can put more effort into. Distance will push both of you to be more creative when it comes to communicating and keeping the romantic element of the relationship alive. It's important to set realistic and healthy expectations. You should decide how often you expect to be in touch or when you are planning to see each other in person. Don't just live in your dreamland. Be realistic. Also, make sure you avoid excessive communication. It would be unwise to talk too much in a long-distance relationship. You don't really need to communicate 10 hours a day to keep the relationship going. This is not true. It might even make things worse. If you're talking excessively, I can guarantee you that you are only going to exhaust yourself. So there's no use of it. Less is more. Number 5. Do make visits to each other. Visits are the highlight of every long-distance relationship. After waiting and yearning for years, you finally get to meet each other to fulfill all the little things like hugging, kissing, holding hands, etc., which are all common to other couples, but so very special and extra intimate for people in long-distance relationships. Take this opportunity and enjoy. You can celebrate a missed special occasion, take as many day trips as possible, go on a restaurant date, play sport, or do whatever you like. So that's it guys, these were 5 amazing long-distance relationship tips that you should follow. Like this video if you did and comment below if that really worked for you. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel to get more regular content like this.